Elsewhere, a police officer from Homabay told the court how a man who was visibly shaken and injured reported to him that the personal assistant to Migori Governor Okoth Obado attempted to kill him. In a sworn testimony, the officer recounted that the man said he had been at a hotel with Sharon Otieno before the incident occurred. Migori tells us more on these submissions on the last day of the hearing of the murder case against the governor before the trial resumes in October.
Your Honor, my OCS by then was the late George Njuki Kabi.
Officer Willie Okoti was a sixth prosecution witness to testify in the trial against Migori Governor Okoth Obado, his personal assistant Michael Oyamo, and Migori County Clerk Caspal Obiero over the murder of 26-year-old Sharon Otieno. Officer Okoti told the court that on 3rd September 2018, at approximately 9 p.m., he was at Cadell Police Station, Homabay, on duty at the reports office. A white probox with 2 occupants then drove into the station. The driver alighted and told Okoti that he had brought a man who had a report to make.
This reportee told me that he was in Rongo at a certain hotel. He was together with one lady by the name of Sharon Otieno. While at the hotel, the personal assistant for the governor of Migori County went to where they were and asked them to enter into a vehicle which was waiting by so that they could change and go to a different hotel.
Once in the vehicle, the man narrated that the car drove for about 300 meters. It then stopped and 2 men waiting by the roadside entered the car.
He was threatened that he will be killed. The reason being that he was investigating allegations that the Migori governor had impregnated Sharon Otieno. He jumped out of a moving motor vehicle between Homabay and Kendu Bay and escaped.
The officer entered these details in the occurrence book and called the Kendu Bay OCS to take the man to hospital as he had incurred injuries on his hands and legs that left him bloodied. But the defense tore into why Officer Okoti could not give a clear time on when he had reported for duty.
But at 9, PC Okoti is available to receive this report. Were you aware that a report would be brought to you?
The officer also failed to record the injuries that the man had suffered in the occurrence book.
And you forgot to record PC that he was injured in the palms.
The officer was also unable to get an answer from the reportee on the name of the man leading the abduction, only stating that he was the personal assistant to the Migori governor.
An officer of more than 35 years experience in service is told there's a vehicle dangerously going with some lady somewhere. You don't take the name of the personal assistant who is said to have been involved.
I believe it is because he was in pain and he was very much shaken.
The trial continues on 4th to 7th October, after which they will resume from 6th to 9th December. Upon resumption from adjournment, the prosecution will put 2 of its protected witnesses on the stand who will tell the events of what took place to Sharon in a chronological story-like format which will shed light on the ghastly murder. Ngena Kirori, NTV, Nairobi.